Hillbilly Nitro. Here we are, guys, back with another one, the Walk and Talk. Chick-ching! We have another package to unbox here. I believe you guys are going to like what's in this. So without further ado, let's get the Bark River Gunny out here. And let's get to slashing some cardboard. Let's see what's in here. Hope you guys have been doing good. What a beautiful day it is. The wind is blowing, leaves are falling. There's our victim of this episode. Check it out. Of course, you already know the title, so who am I fooling? Another Lionsteel. There's our number. Let's open her up. If you would like to help support the channel, please take a look at the link in the comments, and your support is greatly appreciated. So I thank you guys that send me a couple bucks. You guys are the best. You're making this stuff possible. Here we go. Look at that. Is that classy? Classy. Classy, classy. Let's get all this clutter out of here. Check that out. What a beauty. Get in the frame here. Look, my papers are about to blow away. Let me grab these papers real quick. Okay, there we are. Bone micarta. What a beauty. Lionsteel. I don't know if I said that right. Lionsteel Roundhead. White bone micarta. Is that a beauty? Man, I'm liking these Lionsteels. Oh, and it feels great. Let me resituate here. Get around the camera here so we can, there we go. Much better. Look at that. Let me take this, set that over there. Okay, there we go. That is a beauty. That pull feels great on it. That's about, let's see here. About a 6.5, close to a 7. Man, that thing feels sharp too. Check that drop out on it. Feels great. Let's check that. That's why I didn't want my paper to blow away. Let's check this. Look at that. Like butter. Yeah, that's sharp. Very nice. Let's take a look around her here. M390 on the blade steel, just like as usual. Love that spear point. Look at that spear point and the swedge cut back in there. That is very nice. Very nice. Man, I'm starting to like these Lionsteels. What do you guys think? I've got some pretty good responses on those other ones that I've done. A lot of people are liking these newer traditional knives. I suspect these are going to be pretty popular later on down the road. Pretty popular now. They could be classics and we don't even know it yet. Sorry about bumping the camera there. I'm kind of in an awkward position here. Very nice knife. We'll take one last look around her and we'll wrap this one up, guys. I hope that wind's not getting into the microphone. That spear point is just awesome. I love a spear point. Very nice. Man, that feels good too. Transitions feel great. Check that blade center, about forgot. On the money. Well, that's going to wrap it up, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. We got a beautiful GEC coming up. So, stay tuned, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Hillbilly is over and out of here, guys. Peace.